Good morning, students. First of all, you all are welcome in your new class, in class 4. Today I am here to start first chapter of your English textbook. That is the magic brush. Before watching this video, I would like to suggest please read this chapter line by line carefully and make a list of hard words with their meanings in your notebook.
Now let us start the chapter. The title of this chapter, as you know, The Magic Brush. This is the story of a boy having a magic brush. Before starting the story, we have some activity in the first page of this chapter. First one, which fruit do you like the most? Which fruit do you like the most? You have to write the name of the fruit which you like the most. Next, encircle the fruit and discuss about it with your friend. In this picture, we have mango, we have guava, we have banana, grapes, orange. You have to discuss with your friend about these fruits. And next, write the names of two seedless fruits. Two seedless fruits. One I am name of one seedless fruit like banana, and there are many more fruits which are seedless. Means you have to write names of two seedless fruits, means two fruits which don't contain seeds inside it. Okay, now we come to the story. Once a poor young orphan boy means that very boy has no parents, no mother, no father. Okay, once a poor young orphan boy worked as a laborer at a farm. Laborer at a farm. Okay, he works as a laborer. He worked as a laborer at a farm. Okay, sometimes he used to draw some beautiful paintings. Sometimes he used to draw some beautiful paintings. As someone hobby is to draw, same way that very boy has hobby of paintings. So he used to draw some paintings. One day a fairy changed his life by giving him a magic brush. One day a fairy gave him a magic brush. What was the quality of brush? We will know in the story. Okay. Who gave the boy a magic brush? A fairy. A fairy gave the boy a magic brush. Once there lived a poor orphan boy. Now come to the story. Once there lived a poor orphan boy in a small village. In a small village. Orphan boy. Poor orphan boy means he had no mother, no father. Okay, those type of boy and those type of people is known as orphan people. Okay, he had no relatives and friends. He had no relatives and friends. Means we have some relatives, uncle, aunt, grandparents. Okay, but that very boy had no relatives and friends. He earned his living. He earned his living as a boy. He had to earn. He had to earn for survival. Okay, but what happened? We have as a child, as a young boy, we have mother, father who earned for us, who earned for us. But that very boy had no relatives, no parents. That's why he had to earn for his living. Okay. In his spare time means फुर्सत का समय. In his spare time means times remain after working. He would sit under the shade of a big banyan tree. He would sit under the shade of a big banyan tree and draw pictures of hills, rivers, and people also. Okay. He did not have any money to buy a paintbrush. He did not have any money to buy a paintbrush. Okay, for you should have brush, pencil, cutter, eraser, paper. Then after you can draw. But at that very boy had no money to buy these things, so he used twigs of banyan tree. Twigs of banyan tree means banyan tree का जो छोटा सा डंठल होता, लकड़ी होता, उससे वो ड्रॉ करता था. His art was matchless. His art was matchless. Okay, no one could draw like him. No one could draw like him. People who saw his paintings were filled with wonder and appreciations. Those people who saw his paintings became very glad, became wonder and appreciate his paintings. Okay. Soon his fame as a painter grew far and wide. Soon his fame as a painter grew far and wide. People from far distance came to know that he was a painter. Okay, people from far knew about his paintings and knew him as a painter. One day he felt very tired and fell asleep. What happened? One day he felt very tired. What happened when you feel tired? You want to sleep. That's why the boy slept. In his dream, he saw a beautiful fairy Fiona. What he saw in his dream? He saw a beautiful fairy Fiona. Fiona was captivated by the boy's innocent face. Captivated means he was attracted. Sorry, she was attracted. For what? For boy's innocent face. She tells him. What she tell? Listen, young boy, people admire your painting talent, and so I wish to give you a paintbrush. Admire means praise, to praise. She told, young boy, people admire your painting talent. Means whatever you have painting talents, people praise about it. People admire about it. And so I wish to give you a paintbrush. What the fairy Fiona want to give to the boy? She wished to give a paintbrush. This is a magic brush by which you can do anything you want. She tells, this is a magic brush. This is a magic brush by which you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Whatever you want to do, you can do with this magic paintbrush. When the boy got up from his sleep, when the boy woke up from his sleep, he found a golden brush lying next to him. What he found? He found a golden brush lying next to him. Beside him, there was a golden brush which he saw in his dream. He drew some food with that brush. With that golden brush, what he drew? He drew some food. Listen, see in the picture. I am very hungry. I need some food. He tells, I am very hungry. I need some food. The food became real. The food became real. He drew the figure of food. But what happened with the help of magic paintbrush? It becomes real food. It becomes real food. The boy was very happy and delighted, and he ate the food with great relish. Great relish, chow se. The boy was very happy to see the real food. To see the real food, the boy was very happy and delighted. And then he ate the food with great relish. बड़े चाव से उसने वो खाना खा लिया. Now the boy painted a set of new clothes. After drawing food and after eating that food, he drew a set of new clothes. Okay. Then what happened? These two became real. Whatever dress, whatever cloth he drew, those become real also. The boy took off his old torn clothes. The boy took off his old torn clothes and wore the new ones. Okay, which was appear after drawing the dress which was appeared after drawing. That boy wore that clothes and took off his old and torn means phata hua, old and torn clothes. The next day, the boy went to the village and gathered all the poor and hungry people. What he did? Next day, he went to the village. He went to the village and gathered all the poor and hungry people of that village. सबको gather means इकट्ठा करना. Gather means इकट्ठा करना. He gathered all the poor and hungry people of that village. He drew different tasty dishes which became real in no time. Whatever he drew, all becomes real. All become real. Whatever he drew, all became real in no time. Quickly become real. Okay. He then asked the people to eat to their heart's content. Heart's content means hriday se. He asked the people to eat that food which he drew and that become real. The people blessed him and wished him happiness. After eating, the poor and hungry people blessed him means आशीर्वाद दिया and wished him happiness. Once the princess of the royal family fell ill with a serious disease. What happened? The princess of a royal family. Royal family means family of a king. Family of a king. Once the princess of the royal family fell ill with a serious disease. With a serious disease. See in the picture. The princess disease. The princess's disease can only be cured by giving her a red colored banana. What type of banana? Red colored banana. Usually it is of what color? Yellow color. When the banana is ripened, then it becomes yellowish in color, and when it is raw, it is in green. It is green in color. You know very well. All of you know banana. When banana is raw, then it is in green in color. It is green in color, and when it is ripened, in which color it changes? It changes into yellow color. But the disease of princess can only be cured means ठीक होना, only be cured by giving a red colored banana. By giving a red colored banana. Okay, the king ordered his soldiers to get the red banana for the princess. Okay, what the king did? He ordered his soldiers to get the red banana for the princess. The soldiers looked far and wide in search for the red banana. The soldiers looked far and wide in search of the red banana. Far and wide, दूर दूर तक. Far and wide, दूर दूर तक. The soldiers looked far and wide in search of the red banana. Now, see in the picture, soldiers are searching for red banana. One soldier is telling, where can we find the red banana? Common people say, I don't know, sir. Common people say, I don't know, sir. So after a week, they returned back to the palace without any result. Without finding the red banana, the soldiers returned back to the palace. Because it is not common, you know very well, banana is usually in yellow in color, but here soldiers were searching for red banana. Then how could they easily search for the red banana? So they returned back without any result, without searching red banana. Everybody was sad. Everybody was sad and dejected in the kingdom. Sad, dukhi, dejected, niras in the kingdom. Oh, my poor daughter, what shall I do? King says, oh, my poor daughter, what shall I do? Next day, the boy came to the royal palace. Next day, the boy who had the magic brush, okay, came to the royal palace and requested the guard to let him meet the king. Let him meet the king, and requested the guard at the door to let him meet the king. I have the medicine for the princess. Boy said to the guard, I have the medicine for the princess, so let me meet the king. The guard went to the king and gave him the message. What the guard did? The guard went to the king and gave him the message. What he say to the king? See in the picture. A young boy has come. A young boy has come. He says that he has the medicine for the princess. King said, send him in. उसे अंदर भेजो. The young boy came in. The young boy came in. The king said to the boy, what can you do for my daughter, young man? What can you do for my daughter, young man? The boy said, I can cure her as I have the medicine. I can cure. Cure means ठीक करना, बीमारी से ठीक होना या करना. I can cure her as I have the medicine. मेरे पास मेडिसिन है, मैं इसे ठीक कर सकता हूँ. नेक्स्ट, किंग सेड, डू यू हैव द रेड बनाना? Do you have the red banana? Because princess can be cured only after having the red banana. Okay, that's why king asked, do you have the red banana? Boy said, yes sir, I have. The king took the boy to the sick princess bedroom. Took the boy to the सिक प्रिंसेस बेडरूम, जहाँ पे प्रिंसेस बीमार पड़ी हुई थी, वहाँ पे उस बॉय को ले गए. इफ़ यू वेक माई डॉटर अप, आई विल गिव यू एनीथिंग यू डिज़ायर. किंग सेड, इफ़ यू वेक माई डॉटर अप, यदि तुम मेरे डॉटर को जगा दोगे, ओके, सोई हुई थी, ठीक कर दोगे, इन शॉर्ट कह सकते हैं कि ठीक कर दो. इफ़ यू वेक माई डॉटर अप, I will give you anything you desire. Desire means इच्छा. Okay. तुम्हारा जो भी इच्छा होगा, I will give you. The boy took out his magic brush. Then boy, what did the boy do? The boy took out his magic brush and drew a red banana on the canvas. And drew the red banana on the canvas. Canvas means it is a sheet. It is a sheet on which pictures are drawn. On which pictures are drawn. That very sheet is called canvas. When the boy drew the red banana, what happened? As usual, the red banana became real. The red banana became real red banana. Okay, everybody present was stunned by the boy's magic. Everybody present was stunned. Stunned means अचंभित, आश्चर्यचकित हो गया एक देख के कि बॉयज़ मैजिक, बॉयज़ का जो मैजिक देख के कि उसने वो पेपर पे रेड बनाना ड्रॉ किया और रेड बनाना रियल में रेड बनाना हो गया. गेट इट टू द प्रिंसेस. After taking to the king, giving to the king red banana, boy says, give it to the prince. Give it to the princess. Hakim touched the red banana. Hakim touched the red banana. हकीम ने क्या किया? बनाना को अपने हाथ में लिया. Okay, touched the red banana on the princess lips. On the princess lips. हाथ में लेके उसने रेड बनाना को प्रिंसेस लिप्स में टच किया. Immediately she woke up. Immediately she woke up. वो तुरंत जग गई. Everyone began to praise the boy. Everyone began to praise the boy. Praise प्रशंसा करना. Praise means प्रशंसा करना. Everyone began to praise the boy. The relieved and happy king embraced his daughter. गले लगा. I am so happy. Now to the boy, king says, what can I do for you, young man? What can I do for you, young man? Boy said, for me, I don't want anything, sir. For me, आई डोंट वॉन्ट एनीथिंग सर, मैं अपने लिए कुछ भी नहीं चाहता हूँ सर. किंग सेड वाई. वाई? बॉय सेज वन अगेन, people in the kingdom are very poor. People in the kingdom are very poor and they barely get a square meal a day. A square meal a day means दिन का खाना, मतलब पूरी तरह से सुबह का नाश्ता, दोपहर का लंच, रात का डिनर, ये तीनों को मिला के हम कहेंगे स्क्वायर मील, बैलेंस्ड मील. People in the kingdom are very poor and they barely get a square meal a day. So please do something for them. So please do something for them so that they become happy. So that they become happy. किंगडम में, इस राज्य में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि पुअर हैं, बहुत ही पुअर हैं. उनको दिन में अच्छा खाना में तीनों टाइम का खाना नहीं मिल पाता. यदि आप उनके लिए कुछ करें तो वो बहुत खुश होंगे. द किंग वॉज प्लीजेंटली सरप्राइज्ड एट हिज विश. द किंग वॉज प्लीजेंटली सरप्राइज्ड एट हिज विश. द किंग बिकेम सरप्राइज्ड knowing the wish of that voice. Okay, I shall do whatever you wish, young man. And the king promised to the boy, I shall do whatever you wish, young man.
Dear students, in this way you have read the story. Now it is time to solve the exercise. Before starting to solve the exercise, I would like to suggest once again, please read this chapter, and after that start writing the answer of the exercises. Please submit the notebook in the school